The reality of Hiroshima is a devastating one. The atomic bomb that was dropped on the city in 1945 resulted in unparalleled destruction and loss of life. The impact of this catastrophic event still resonates today, with survivors living with the physical and emotional scars of that fateful day. The city has made remarkable strides in rebuilding and revitalizing, but the memory of the tragedy continues to serve as a stark reminder of the horrors of war. It is a reality that must never be forgotten, and one that serves as a powerful call for peace and understanding in our world.
Subscribe, share, and give the thumbs up.
Yeah.